Wow!
Fiw Lloyd.
A fiw Dom. A heddi, ni'n mynd I fod yn neud quiz. Ond ma' ddim just yn unrhyw quiz. Ma'n lockdown quiz. Hefo consequences. A mae'r consequences yn electric shock. Os ni'n cael cwestiwn yn anghywir. Os ni'n cael cwestiwn yn gywir, we are good.
Joe. Exotic. Woo!
What? Be? I'm not a scientist, mate. Pymthegfed o Ebrill. Na. Mawrth. Whoa! Are they okay? Are they just in a shock? Are they just in like the initial, whoa, what is that?
Stay indoors. Control yourselves. Control yourselves.
Oh my days. Sut ydw I fod gwybod yna? Tom Hanks. I am the captain now.
TikTok.
Bullshit. Great, edrych ar hynny nawr. Well, what's the decimal system of 89? Face.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, mae methu just gael nhw fynd chwaith.
Gael nhw fynd? Wait, aros. Nawn ni, yn y fideo nawr, nawn ni mynd nôl, camera, B-roll, whatever you do, rewind the thing. A edrych arno fe. Fi'n ofyn though, fi actually yn ofyn, that's the problem about this. Ah! Wow! Oh my god!
Tesla. Mae hwnna'n cyfri.
Ma ddim though, ma ddim.
Yeah, mate.
Go on,
Fi'n edrych
Go on, I'm chilling. Pa'n neud hwnna, just chilling. Simple.
You're literally so
Yeah,
chill.
okay, right, alright, mate.
You're literally so chilled right now.
Fine.
Nah, you've been actually do this. Nah, fine.
COVID-19. Lle, Leicester.
Okay, Wuhan, ife?
Oh my god. Wait, don't know about Big Man. Okay, chill. That up. My Denzel Washington on the man. Sut ydy gallu cymryd yna?
Easy.
Be, chwaraeon gyntaf, ia.
Mae ddim yn beth ti'n meddwl mae'n chwaith.
Hill basket.
Oh, come on.
What? Be oedd e? I'm not doing that then, that's bullshit.
David Attenborough.
Oh my days. Russell Howard. Fy nhadain anoeli mi.
Oh, na, fi di ennill.
Well, you ain't got no neck, so don't chat to me.
So my forfeit yw, fi'n cael message o unrhyw un ar account Instagram Dom. Fi'n mynd I message o Amir.
Double beef?
So mae di message o ti, January 15th, a ti heb reply.
Mae ffôn fi di tari.
So fi'n mynd I dweud, oh, mate, I know it's a few months late, but that idea is shit and that's why I didn't want to do it. Hi mate, newydd gweld neges yma o 7 mis yn ôl.
Oh my days.
7 months later. Ar ôl ti di ero fe hefyd. Double violation.
Mae hwnna ddim yn good though, mae actually